Hey there, gals, and you die-hard guys too. Welcome back to The Big Sweep, the channel that brings you all the tips and tricks you need to keep your space squeaky clean. I'm Kelly, and today we're talking about how to clean your kitchen. A fall deep clean. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get your kitchen in tip-top shape, you're in the right place. All right, let's get started. The first step to any deep clean is gathering your supplies. Here's what you'll need. All-purpose natural cleaner in a spray bottle. Here's the recipe. 1/2 cup of vodka or rubbing alcohol, 1 1/4 cup water, 6 drops rosemary essential oil, and 6 drops lavender essential oil. Pour all ingredients into a spray bottle and shake. This cleaner is safe to use on all surfaces, including granite and quartz. You will need some washing soda, which you can purchase or make your own. There is a link to a recipe in the description box below. You'll also need a lemon, microfiber cloths, scrub brushes, sponges, a bucket, rubber gloves, and a bin or basket for collecting clutter items. Optional but helpful items include a playlist of your favorite cleaning tunes, snacks to keep you energized, and some motivational quotes to keep you going. It's time to tackle the clutter. Start by taking everything off the counters, your refrigerator, and the kitchen table. Put it all in a bin or basket and set it aside to be sorted out later. This will make cleaning much easier. Now it's time to clean. Grab your cleaning supplies and let's get to work. I would normally attack the oven first. There is a link in the description box below to a detailed video explaining how to clean the inside of your oven. Next, start cleaning from top to bottom. Start with any light fixtures and the ceiling fan. Remove any light shades and anything else that can be removed, and place the pieces in your dishwasher or a sink full of soapy water to be washed by hand. Use an extendable duster to chase the cobwebs and dust bunnies from the high corners and edges. If your cabinets don't go all the way to the ceiling, you'll have to get up on a step stool and clean up there. Once you get it clean, put sheets of newspaper on top of the cabinets. Next time you clean there, you can just remove the newspaper and replace it all with new. Make sure to pay attention to these areas. Clean your stovetop with your all-natural cleaner and a microfiber cloth or scrub brush. Clean the control panel and the front. Remove burner grates and clean them separately. Clean the top of your refrigerator with all-natural cleaner, as well as the sides and front. Next, wipe down cabinet surfaces with your natural cleaner. You can use an old toothbrush to scrub the grime from corners. Wipe the doors again with a damp microfiber cloth to remove any cleaner left behind. Don't forget to clean the cabinet handles. If they are really grimy, you can remove them and soak them in a sink full of hot water with dish soap or your natural cleaner, then scrub them with a brush. Dry them and put them back on the cabinet doors. Now wipe the countertops using a microfiber cloth and your natural cleaner. Time to clean the sink. Sprinkle your stainless steel sink with washing soda, then scrub with a lemon slice. Rinse well and dry with a clean microfiber cloth. To clean your granite or quartz sink, spray some of your all-natural cleaner in the sink. A couple squirts of dish soap will do the trick here too. Then scrub with a brush. Rinse well and dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Lastly, don't forget the floors. Give them a good sweep or vacuuming. Then mop with clean water and your natural cleaner. This will leave your kitchen looking pristine. And while you're at it, don't forget the finishing touches, like putting your light fixtures and ceiling fan back together. Clean and replace any decor items you may have moved during your kitchen deep clean. There you have it. Your kitchen is now ready for the fall season. It's incredible how a deep clean can rejuvenate your space. Thanks for joining us on this fall deep clean journey. If you have any questions or want to share your own cleaning tips, leave them in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to The Big Sweep, give this video a thumbs up, and ring that notifications bell so you never miss any of our cleaning tips. Click here to learn more about removing stubborn stains from all sorts of things. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.